Good morning, here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here today in St. Thomas, Ontario. Beautiful house behind me. They have a beautiful flat roof in the back. It's covering the hot tub. It's an interior space covering the hot tub portion of their kitchen. So today what we're going to do a layover. I know what some of you guys think. You don't always have to tear the roof. We are going to lay over the existing roof, a separation board and a new 2-ply system. We have some shingles tie in, and we also have some vinyl siding we're going to tie in and tuck behind it. So we'll show you what it looks like. Hope you like it. Thanks for joining us. Okay, welcome back. We've come up on the roof. Before we get going, to show you, we have a door on one side. We have some siding that's been removed. We have a deck we have to take off, put back on. A downspout. We also have 3 layers of shingles. So this is Canada. We're going to have snow in the next 4 to 5 months. So snow is going to be sitting. We want to make sure that this whole detail is watertight. So we're going to remove some shingles, carry our cap sheet and base sheet up and under there, and reinstall the shingles. So there we go. We got a bit of work to do ahead of us. We have some moving of some furniture and stuff. We'll show you what it looks like when we get going. Thanks a lot. Okay, welcome back. So what we're doing, we're taking one shingle off in the middle of a row. So we want to take this shingle off. We got 1, 2, 3. This shingle. This shingle is tied in with its own nails in this row and tied in with this shingle. So it's tied in 2 shingles. So we want to start 2 shingles up, start delaminating it off because there's fused asphalt there over the summer. And then we have a row of shingles here we need to pop. So we pop them. And then we have this row that we pop. For the example of this video, I've already done it. And then you pop them, you nail this, you hit this down, and then you pop it. And what will happen? You'll have this one come out. So this shingle is tied here as well as up here. These shingles were not hit properly, but you get the idea. It should have been in the middle. So there you go. That's how you take one shingle off a 3-course row. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. You can see we finished putting the substrate on. We put an 1/8-inch board of asphaltic board, and we screwed that down to the existing roof. We cleaned it, let it dry. We screwed it down. I gave this a new substrate. Now we put a peel and stick base sheet on. And also, this is an important detail. You know what I mean? In a couple months, we're gonna have snow. We wanna make sure the snow and ice doesn't sit here and ice dam back into our shingles. We removed 3/4 of shingles. We put the base sheet, and we're gonna come back and put new shingles on. We have a tight door detail working around. We got to figure that, and the drip flashing around the other side. We bent the drip flashing. So we're going to prime it, put cap sheet and metal. We'll show you what it looks like. Thanks. Okay, Legacy Flat Roofing Sheet Metal. We finished the job. It was a bit of a long day, but it really turned out great. I'm sure the client's going to be thrilled. We got a brand new 2-ply modified bitumen roof. We put the deck back in place. Tomorrow we are going to come back and put 3 rows of shingles here. We're able to do our tying at the door, and we got to put the siding back for another contractor who's coming to do that. Finished the job in St. Thomas. Wonderful client, had a great time doing it. If you live in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.